How to add an email to Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add an email on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find privacy and security just right here. Select it. Then to add an email, simply tap on to login email right here. Select it. Then tap on to change email. And from here you can simply add a new email. Now type the email just like this and tap on to continue. And after doing this, you will simply add an email to Telegram. And that's it. This is how you can add an email to Telegram application. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.